a good dancer from New York?
No, I'm not. You show me the moves, I'll follow.
You want me to show you? You want me to show you the moves?
Yes, I.
Do you want me to show you the world? Do you want me to show you the world?
Just.
Music! We'll just dance together. Music! DJ! You still did great. Well, congratulations. Are you single?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. You're asking, do you know me?
No.
You don't know me.
Just now he told me your name.
What my name is?
Jerry.
So you know me. Okay. Okay. The game is. Tama na, nalingaw ka mo na. Eri na. The game is bring me with a twist. I will ask you to get something coming from the crowd. It can be coming from your bag, your friends, wherever. As far as you can have that thing. And the moment you got that thing, you need to go back to your chair and sit. If there's no available chair, that means I will provide you one. If there's no chair left, you are out of the jungle. Gets? Oh, alam ko naman kung natalino kayo, hindi ko na i-explain. Bring me! We will check if ang talaga nila ay magaling kumanta. Buti na lang talaga nakahabol ka kanina. Okay. Sir, alright. The snow glows white on a mountain tonight. Not a footprint to the sea. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The face is telling me everything tonight. Sir, meron sinta. Buko ng patay. Dalada na ibus no. Sisig na natin. Hindi nag-aral ko nun. Talaga hindi ka nakikinig kay grade 1 teacher. Alright. Hello, ate. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh my God! Soprano 4. My love will
See you through. I will wish from the stars.
Jeanette. It's Camille's dad. That's why. Oh, yeah. Kala mo makakatakas ka, ay. Ikaw talaga dito ka, ha? Alright. It's your smile. Sige, kanta mo na lang yung kanta. Yung kanta mo na lang para sa taga-Netherland. Eto na. 1, 2, 3. Kung makatingin naman to sa kanta. Kantaan mo na siya. Any song for him? Kaya't ibigan. Charot. Otsu. You will pick a good singer tonight. Otsu. Paat tuhod.
Balik at una.
Ay, ang kalmado ng patinig ng ano ang iba. Paat tuhod.
Balik at ulo.
Pakan natin sila, okay? That's it. Next one. Salamat. Alam mo yung maglalaro lang tayo ng bring me, magpapahamak ka pa ng kaibigan ng iba. Next one, bring me 500 peso bill. 500 peso bill! Thank you so much. One Pinoy versus 2 visitors. Okay. Do you want to say anything to the visitors before the final game?
You can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Is there anything you want to say to him, sir?
I just said the same thing to him.
You answer, you talk so fast. And of course, Rick, do you want to say anything to the Filipino you're competing tonight?
He's gonna lose.
Yo! You're gonna leave, bro! Bring me keypad cell phone. Keypad! Keypad cell phone! Keypad! Oh! Keypad cell phone! Let's go! You're texting. It's not working. Networks. Can you read that? Can you read the brand?
Samson.
Samsung? Yeah. Samsung. Sinong nagbigay sa kanya nito? Again, I told you to bring me a keypad cell phone. Now you're telling me that one?
It's a real VTech.
Real VTech. Pero keypad. Okay, bring me driver's license. Let's go! Minsan talaga may mas, kahit alam mo may mas mabilis. Apat, correct! Congratulations! What is the gift you want to receive this Christmas? Ay ba? If there's a gift that you want to receive this Christmas, what will it be?
Just the love of the family of Ivy.
Oh! Ivy! Turunahan si Ivy! Turunahan! Ibigay ang corona. Alright, sir. The question for you is, what is the favorite fruit of Kit Kit?
It's banana.
It's banana? Can you dance banana? Dance banana. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and dance banana. Dance, banana. Oh, the family will really love you. Let's give him cash prize. Congratulations. How much you won tonight? How much?
Oh, that's money, sir?
Yeah, 1,000! Don't bring it out. Don't bring it. Maraming salamat. You'll have more time later.